I'm going to have a baby when you're shooting, so I don't think I can do that. I said, if you can wait till December next year, then, I mean, I said that to them last year in June or August. I said, if you can wait till December 2025, maybe we can do it. They still haven't done it. So they said, maybe. I was like, okay. Then another script came my way. Bahut acha tha. Perfect. Everything was, it was a good team, good script and all that. But then last minute, Islamabad shift hua wo. So another great team, doing it there. But roll pe naam likha hota hai.
You were like, Islamabad to main nahi ja sakti.
I can't. I mean, I would have, before Wali, I would have easily gone there. But with a 3-month-old, I can't.
Is the set ever going to be a place where you can take a baby? Le ja sakte hain?
A lot of my colleagues have done it, but they, the beauty of having a child younger is that the grandparents are younger. So, aapne bachcha nani dadi ko de diya, and you don't even have to think twice. I'd imagine.
Yeah.
But having a child later, the grandparents are now also in their 70s, so you can't just leave them. You still need to then either be there yourself or get help.
Yeah.
So sets where yes, all of them used to have their mothers to help them. There's always been a room. Look, if the production team wants that actress और उनका भी बच्चा हुआ है, तो वो एक कमरा डिमांड कर सकती हैं कि मेरे ये टाइमिंग्स होंगी, मैं घर से इतने बजे आ सकती हूँ, इतने बजे जाना होगा मुझे, if she's feeding him, her, you take those breaks. Yeah, I mean, so they accommodate you as much as they can. क्या हो सकता है? हाँ, commercials पे बहुत करते हैं.
Yeah.
Even now, when I was discussing this project, they were, I was like, look, मैं पहले से बताती हूँ, I need XYZ things. They were like, आप पहले से बताएंगी तो आसान होता है. Last minute expect करेंगी कि ये होगा और कुछ नहीं होगा, and then तो मुश्किल होता है. But you tell us from now, and we'll try and have it done. And I was like, great, okay.
Excellent.
और फिर वो इस्लामाबाद मैंने कहा नहीं.
Let's not push it.
Yeah.
Let's not push it.
That would be impossible.
You wouldn't be able to do those pahadi roles now. वो मुश्किल हो जाता.
मतलब just to be away, मैं बेबी को लेके इस्लामाबाद में मेरा सपोर्ट सिस्टम ही नहीं है. मोहब अपना काम कर रहे हैं, सास को ले आऊंगी, ठीक है. फिर there's a whole system that you have at home. You can't just, not yet. He's too small.
Although Mohib's a hands-on father,
completely,
but still, yeah. So concluding with Manto, going back to मैं Manto नहीं हूँ. First time with Humayun Saeed.
Yes.
First time with Nadeem Beg.
Yes.
First KRQ script as well.
KRQ script.
First time with Sajal as well.
First time with all the actors.
Completely new cast and crew. Saima, Babar Ali, all of them, right? New. So how was working with Sajal?
I was always waiting to work with her. She's a patakhi. She's like a little firecracker. She's just अपनी lines, अपना scene, अपना सब कुछ तैयार होके आती है. She's I don't know how much she preps for her lines because we'd have different timings. But it was amazing to see her go with her dialogues, not forget, give it her best every time. She's very funny. She and Beg Saab have a very funny relationship, like they'll tease each other. Her and Asif Saab were, a treat to watch, laughing, joking. And I was like, such a mature relationship and a really good image to put out there for people.
Yeah.
Is to not hold grudges and be like, ab inke saath kaam nahi ho sakta, inke saath. I mean, just, agar kisi ko takleef nahi hai, aapko kya takleef ho rahi hai?
Yeah.
So that was a good relationship dynamic to see.
When have you been watching Manto as it airs?
I've been watching.
Have you watched? Would you have changed anything about Mehmil's character? Because Mehmil भी लोगों को confuse कर रही है.
हाँ, Mehmil भी confuse कर रही है. It's true. Like वो जो एक teacher पे उसने उसकी बीवी पे joke बनाया था. हाँ, it wasn't nice.
Yeah.
But I don't know अगर, and I'm saying this, and people like, a lot of my colleagues and friends who I saw were like, that was really inappropriate. But it's a character. This girl, वो दिखाया है that this girl is a बदतमीज, inappropriate girl. What she said was not nice. It was rude. It was obnoxious.
Yeah.
People shouldn't speak like that. But आप ऐसे characters दिखाओगे तो आपको एहसास होगा ना कि वो कितनी बदतमीज लड़की थी.
Yeah.
So that dynamic, and Sajal did it so well, you know, just with the big eyes and her innocent little face and the cheeky look aways that she does. She just played that character the way it was written, the way she needed to. Is it confusing? It is a little bit because she's But where is it confusing? Because वो उसका मुंह तो चलता है मंटो साहब के सामने भी, अपने अब्बा के सामने भी, अपने फूफो को भी सुनाती है. She is a cheeky, confident, overconfident brat.
मगर शादी करना भी चाह रही है हजरत के साथ, नहीं भी करना चाह रही.
Because she's naughty.
She's naughty.
She's naughty. Because she knows she has to marry Hazrat. I mean, this is an infatuation with Manto. She knows the student
Which
teacher.
the Popo is trying to really drive hard कि नहीं तुम्हें मोहब्बत है, तुम blush कर रही है.
वो कर तो रही है इतना बात ना. Popo's like, I'm not dumb बेटा, तुम मेरे से ही बात करती हो, मुझे पता है. तो she's, but girls do that sometimes. We're not. Memel is not what she plays in Zal Patton Ke Band and the other characters. She's not, chammi.
She's not your typical.
She's not playing that character that you want to look up to right now. She's playing a character you might want to strangle. You might think, what is this girl? It's just another character out of the millions of characters that you come across in life and you read about in books and see in other movies. आप बाकी फिल्मों में, हॉलीवुड के, बॉलीवुड के फिल्मों में इस तरह के characters देखते हो. लेकिन जब आपकी अपनी एक जो इतने अच्छे पावरफुल रोल्स करती है, एक अनोइंग रोल प्ले करती है ना, तो it doesn't sit, it confuses audiences. The pool is so small, the content कम ही है, तो इसलिए हम लोग ज़्यादा जज्बाती हो जाते हैं, इमोशनल हो जाते हैं चीज़ों के लिए. It's okay, होता है. I mean, I understand. She's just a naughty brat.
She's a naughty brat. सही है.
She's a naughty brat. He's a pappu. He's the villain, the charming villain.
Yeah, totally.
I'm the bichari Allah Miyan ki gai, trying to.
I hope कि इतनी बिचारी भी नहीं है वैसे Miss Maria.
Bichari, like she won't get Manto.
She won't get Manto, obviously. Yeah.
She's going to help Manto get the girl.
Although she looks very good with Manto, I have to say.
Of course, they're age appropriate.
Yeah, they both look good together. I mean, everything, height, stature, profession, सब कुछ. Miss Maria and Mr. Manto look good together.
मैंने दीप से कही थी, अब हुमायूं और मैं अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना साथ. मुझे हमेशा पता था, अब next think about our casting. He's like, I've already got it down.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, it would be a waste to just do this with Humayun.
Yeah.
So yeah, that would be.
So coming back to and concluding with Miss Maria's styling, because the saris have become also a topic of conversation.
Saris
beautiful
become topic of conversation. Saris have become something that girls are really enjoying wearing.
Yeah.
Fatma wears them beautifully. Fatma Amjad, that beautiful dancer who also plays Madiha.
Of course.
So she's also inspiring young girls to wear a sari so casually and gracefully.
Yeah.
And there are so many local girls who have sariyan bana rahi hain ready-made. I'd love to give them a shout out. Sorry if I forget any, but the ones that really helped me were Sarika, already popular among girls, the Sari Girl, Hathgar, these are already really popular names, Neem Block Prints, and then of course mine and Sajal's favorite, Bohem, Kavananti. Our wardrobe.
So who put the wardrobe together?
Sajal's was done by pure Sajal's, and I think Saimaji's was purely done by Kavalanti. My shalwar kameez parts were Kavalanti and my saris, I did my wardrobe. I think Sajal has often worked with Kavalanti, तो उनका एक Nadeem, but I know कि Nadeem जाते थे Kavalanti के स्टूडियो और कहते थे ये बटन, ये मटेरियल नहीं, मुझे ये वाला कॉटन चाहिए, ये वाली चिकनकारी चाहिए, और वो फुप्पो के कपड़ों में नजर आ रहा है. हुमायूं के जो कुर्ते हैं, I don't know if people have noticed, but those are really well tailored. बहुत अच्छा मटेरियल है, वो भी Kavalanti ने किया है. तो स्टाइलिंग
फर्क पड़ता है ना, बहुत फर्क पड़ता है स्टाइलिंग से.
एंड आजकल तो, अब पहले तो नहीं पड़ता था, अब तो आई सी के यू सेट ट्रेंड, हमारे ड्रामों के जरिए अब ट्रेंड सेट होती है. आयजा has shot up because of her dramas, her styling in her dramas are from her clips to her shoes to the jewelry, and I hear that she is very organized. Nothing is left to production. That's all her. Every scene she's got the notes down कि इसमें कौन सा clip होगा, किसके साथ होगा. She and her team, personal team, have it down packed, and that's the way to go. And it's noticeable. Her wardrobe is always something to be like, wow. And a lot of dramas now, or a lot of the actors and actresses are really अपने कपड़ों पे बहुत तवज्जो दे रहे हैं, क्योंकि लोगों को देखने की क्या पहना है. और मैं और सजल अक्सर कम उस तरह करते हैं. हम लोग काफी बेसिक कपड़े पहनते हैं, कुछ ज्यादा रियलिस्टिक उसमें फंस जाते हैं. हमें उसी में मजा आता है.
मगर अभी साड़ियों में मजा आया.
साड़ी, but again they're just basic sarees. I mean, आप उसके साड़ियाँ देखिए हिरामानी के डायन में, those are like ब्लाउजेस पे काम किया गया है, उसके
Okay.
बेल पे उसके
Okay, Sanam, I see you've got a guilty pleasure watching Diane now at home.
I can't
Yes.
miss those clips.
Putting Wali to bed and watching Diane every day. This is
No, watching Hira Mani.
Hira Mani. Yes, this is your guilty pleasure now, watching Hira Mani and
So,
Diane.
you know, you can see the effort in Hira's sarees. They're quite
Yeah.
top notch.
Yeah.
And then mine are just cotton sarees that I just mix
No,
and
no,
match.
they're nice sarees. The only problem we had was with the hair, so we're hopefully not doing the curls again.
We're not, no, that was, I mean, I'd never repeat it over and over, but just to be different.
हाँ.
और क्योंकि हम अपने बाल काटते नहीं हैं,
नहीं.
हम डाई नहीं करते हैं, wigs हमारे उस लेवल तक पहुंचे नहीं हैं, तो हम और क्या कर सकते हैं?
लेकिन जब
Maybe
मिस
हो
माया
गए
ने
थे-
एक स्ट्रेट ब्लो ड्राई अपनी बर्थडे पे कराया था वो
अपनी-
बहुत खूबसूरत लग
हाँ,
रहे
अपनी
थे.
birthday पे एक दफा, you know, Nadeem wanted a difference between mine and Sajal's hair.
Yeah.
So if she's got the straight long hair, then what is it that I can do differently? That's why I had it up a lot.
Hmm.
But you know, the hair is 50-50. Some people are like, it's the best look that you've looked the best. in
Really?
that. Some people are like, whoa, that was too much. Some people are like, never do that again. You know, so it's
It's
just
not
been
bad.
different. So it was
It's
because it
not
was a
that bad.
small role. I was like,
Yeah.
let's experiment with
Hmm.
different hair, and yeah, it was.
Small role, baby steps back into television.
हाँ, it was. I was like, oh Allah, ये है TV, but ठीक है. But हाँ, अच्छी बात ये क्या हो यही है,
Hmm.
यही है,
यही है.
करना है. We can make a difference.
Yeah.
जब बोर होते हैं तो कुछ और कर लेंगे, जब चैलेंज चाहिए कुछ और कर लेंगे,
सही है.
ब्रेक लेनी है ब्रेक ले लें.
Yeah.
TV is always there with arms open wide.
I love that. I
Yeah.
love that. Yeah, absolutely. Hoping to see you
Thank you.
in your big 2 projects that you're mentioning.
Well, no, the
Well,
one
one
has
of
gone to
them. One,
Islamabad
okay,
and
no,
one
not Islamabad, the other
hasn't
one.
been done yet. So let's
Ah,
see. That's
ah.
also a new team.
Hopefully you won't be taking these big breaks again.
Yeah, no, I think it's
थोड़ी
been a
देर
while.
के लिए.
तो
थोड़ी
इंशाल्लाह.
देर के लिए.
और अब वली के लिए अब देखते हैं कितना
हाँ.
आसान होता है. अभी पहली दफा मैं इतना लेट हुई हूँ एक अपॉइंटमेंट पे with you
No.
for the interview. I'm just saying that now I don't know timing. कि मैं
वही ठीक है
For
ना.
figuring that
Priorities change. Prioritize करना पड़ता है बच्चों को. Of course, always. But it's been fun talking to you as always.
but thanks for having
And
me.
you look as lovely as always. as
Like the
well.
haircut. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Sanam. Thank you for taking time out. Baby time out.
Baby
And
time
apologies
out,
to
yeah.
Wali. Check kar lo phone. Everything is okay back.